Hello everyone, it's Matt here, so welcome back to another video. Hopefully you're all doing well. We've had some strange weather going on this week. All the rain we've had. I've had my op done at last and I thought, great, finally be able to sit outside in the sun, relax a bit, watch a bit of YouTube, watch a bit of normal TV, do a bit of reading. Nope, stuck inside because I'm an absolute, what's the word I got to look for here, being politically correct? Oh yeah, useless. Right, so I've got to sit as comfortably as I can. I'll just do this short little video, just to explain to you what I've just had done. So I've had my lumbar decompression done. So I've had my L3, my L4 and my L5. Did a, what's it called, a DISCECTOMY or something, I can't remember what it's blooming called. But a little bit extra because my back was that more severely damaged, so the surgeon, while I was out, decided, oh, I'll just go digging a little bit more. When he told me that when I woke up and I was a bit groggy, I was like, yeah, fine. Forgot to tell me though, while I was doing it, it might just cause the sciatica to stay on for another week or two. So therefore, when he all told me to get out of the bed and get moving again, felt like Forrest Gump, I got no legs, don't work. So now I've got to basically learn how to walk again on some of the trusty crutches and get that going, and then I've got to let the whole centre of the spine heal a bit and then learn how to walk unaided. So got that to look forward to over the next couple of weeks. But the good news is I've actually got a few thank yous to mention. So big thank you to the Spire Hospital, all the staff there at Macclesfield. Thanks for doing a fantastic job looking after me, making sure I do come back in one piece, one way, shape or form. To all my colleagues at work, management, all the portering staff that I work with, thanks for looking after me for the last year basically, because well, we all know being as much use as a chocolate fire guard, but I've tried my best. And then obviously friends and family for supporting us, keeping me motivated, getting us all through it. So one last push from me now to get myself fit, get back to work and get back to a bit of normal life. Touch wood, fingers crossed and all the rest of it, it'll get there. Moving forward then, over the next couple of weeks, since I am pretty much chair bound, can't even make a brew because I can't pick anything up at all, because I tried to pick a brew up when I was standing up and I was like, oh, so I've got to really rest up now for the next 4 to 6 weeks, take things really slowly. So I thought, I had a couple of videos already made, well, just need editing, so I've got a couple of videos to throw out, hopefully you enjoy them. Plus, I was just in the kitchen earlier on, and the coleus that I did last weekend, they've actually grown some roots. I told you it didn't take long. So I thought next week I'm going to get the little in to pot them all up. So I'll show you what all the roots look like, pot them all up. So we're going to have 20-30 new plants, and then I'll show you me ones that I originally propagated. Plus I've got a new one which I bought before I went in for my op. So a bit of contrast, bit of different colour, because I finally got the burgundy one that I was on about that I wanted. So there's another video. I've had a couple of people message me regarding the cordy lines. Give me 2 weeks, get me on my feet a little bit, and then I'll have a little walk around the garden, and then I'll show you the condition they're in. But just before I went into hospital, I did see a couple of suckers coming up from the bottom of one of them in the pot, and then a couple of nodes just on the side shoots of the ones that are chopped down. So with all this weather that we're supposed to be having, these heat waves in the water, hopefully they'll get growing and I'm going to show you a bit of growth. Hopefully your cordy lines are starting to pull through, hopefully the videos, because I know we got a big massive load of viewings and I've had loads of comments regarding it. So hopefully if what I told you to do has worked for you as well. Another thing that I did just before I went in for my op, I did the middle border, it's just here, and I did the start of the work on the back border, so I got all the monkey work done. Got Dave, my neighbour, to help me. Didn't want to put it out because it's not actually all grown through yet, so again, in another 3 or 4 weeks I'll have that nice video to show you, hopefully, and things actually start to grow. So there's another one, complete change again. I love changing all my borders up. Hopefully these are going to be in situ now for the next good couple of years, until I got to start propagating them. Right, so I'll wrap my video up there. Hopefully you all stay with me over the next couple of weeks while I get my health all back together, and then I can get going around again, start showing people easy things to propagate, easy things to grow, and then hopefully all your gardens are all coming along and everything's doing what it's supposed to do, because I keep reading things on Instagram. Oh, I've got a lovely border on that side, but it's a dumping ground on this side, and oh, it's embarrassing. But a garden's a garden, nothing's perfect. It's exactly what we all make of them. As long as we enjoy the process and things keep moving in the right direction and we all enjoy it, that's the main thing. So right, I wrap the video up there. Like I say, I'm doing all right, I'm on the mend. Hopefully you're all doing okay. So until the video next weekend that comes out, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Right, this is me trying to turn the camera off now, bear with me. Might be a bit of hard work this. Oh, there we go.